Okay, so I'm going to be doing some organizing, and I have an idea of sharing with you some of the organizing projects that I do and I get done. And I also have a few more ideas of what I want to share with you this week. So I'm super excited. I'm going to try and put a video up every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and we will see how that goes. So I'm going to be doing some organizing, and I'm going to be doing some cooking and cleaning and, all the stuff I normally do during the week, but I'm going to try and take you along with me. If I can't take you along with me, I will chat with you. So we will see, and I will see you in a little bit. Okay, so this is a drawer in my bathroom, and this is something I really need to reorganize. I had it organized at one time, but as life goes on, things get disorganized. But I want to, put my brushes, clean my brushes, put like my rubber bands and my bobby pins and my clips, and just freshen it up. And I want to wash the drawer, make it clean because it's collected some dust and debris, whatever. And so I want to organize this drawer. This is on my list, and so I have clear bins, and then I have these white ones, and I'm not sure how I want to do this again, but I know I want a smaller one for the rubber bands, and then I need a longer one for my combs and my brushes. But I will work it out, and then I have some oh, who knows, and when you're in a hurry, you just kind of put things on the side. Oh, and then here's, I bet, this little bag of rubber bands for braces. Yep, he got his braces off last week, I should say. Last week he got his braces off, so no more rubber bands. Okay, so I am going to organize this drawer, and I will show you what it looks like when I am done. I have finished organizing my drawer. This is the moment we have all been waiting for. So when you open it, it looks pretty similar to what I showed you before I organized it, but it is clean. I took everything out. I scrubbed the drawer. I put a new drawer liner in it, so it's all clean. And then I used the same organizing containers that I had in there before. I did add this one, and it has my smaller clips and some more like barrette style clips. And then in the back I have my bandana that I use sometimes to put my makeup on, and then some bigger clips. They're all kind of organized by size and use, and all my bobby pins are put together. And my rubber bands, I have those fun like keychain rubber bands, and then I have the ones with the little tails on them. And I also have these are my most used right here, these rubber bands right here. They're like the no tear. They got rid of that metal part that they used to have. Remember that years ago? And so these are the no tear, and they're thinner because I have thinner hair. And then on this side, I have some extra bobby pins. I use a lot of bobby pins. I may not have a lot of hair, but I use a lot of bobby pins to make it look like I have a lot of hair. And then my brushes and my combs. This is my drawer, and it's completely organized. And I also do you ever start organizing one thing and it leads to organizing something else? Well, after I organized this, I did the drawer that I have my toothbrush in. Now I use an electric toothbrush, but I also have a regular non-electric toothbrush to reach places like behind my teeth that the electric toothbrush doesn't always get to. So I organized my toothpaste, my flosses, and my toothbrush, and then under the sink I have my mouthwashes. I have a lot of things I have to do. I have to use a water pick, an electric toothbrush, and I have to floss, and I have to use the proxy brush. So there's a lot going on there, and I have a lot of things that I use for my teeth. So I have a drawer for that, and I organized that. I'll show you that. I wish I had taken a picture of what it looked like before, but I just got started. And so here I have all my toothpastes, and then all my flosses. Now when you go to the dentist, you know how they give you floss. So I also have a little box of toothpastes and regular toothbrushes. And what I end up doing is when they get filled, I donate those to the schools. And I have these, I carry these in my purse. These in my purse. These are great, these little wisps. They're like little mini toothbrushes that you can use. And then I have all sorts of toothpaste and those little toothpick sticks. Those work great when you have something stuck. And in the back I have some extra Listerine breath fresheners and things like that. But this is what this drawer looks like, and I'm really happy about this. My husband and I in our bathroom have a his and her sink, so this is just my stuff. His is on the other side of the bathroom. I hope you enjoyed my drawer organization, and it was quite simple, but it made such a huge difference in my bathroom. So this isn't actually organizing, but I am going to go get my nails done because I did a whole bunch of gardening and now my nails need to be fixed. So I had gotten dirt in them and I was cleaning them and they popped off. So I'm going to go get my nails done, and so they'll be super pretty for Easter, and I'm going to do a pink. I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. So I will take you with me to get my nails done. Not in the store, but I'll take you before and after. What a mess, right? Okay, so this is the before. Okay, so I'm on my way to go get my nails done. I just had a minute. This is the before. Take a good look. And so I am going to go get them done now. And I want a pink. I want a brighter pink. I want a more prominent pink. This was like a baby pink. Oh, the birds. Anyway, so this is before. Take a good look at these beautiful fingers. Okay. Okay, so I just made it out and I got my nails done and I have a new pink. And that is what they look like. Aren't they pretty? I'm so happy with them. I like them short. I like my nails short, and they're clean, and they're pink, and I'm happy. So, here they are. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. I got to go run some errands.